Hey friends, if you wish to know more about the RtkAudU Service 64, then please watch this video because it appears when you are searching through your task manager, okay, amongst background processes, and people are concerned whether it's a virus or not. So it may be a virus, it may not be a virus. In 99% cases, it is not a virus. So this code is basically about the Realtek Audio Manager program, and it is a part of that program, and that's why it is showing up in the task manager. So it's a genuine program, and it's important for Realtek audio drivers to function. And I will suggest against deleting it directly. But if you are concerned whether it's a malware or not, simply search for MRT. Go to MRT. This is the malware removal tool. It needs a few seconds to load up. Click on next, select full scan, and then click on next and let it run through. Now, why am I suggesting this one? Because here's what happens. Genuine programs disguise themselves as, malicious programs disguise themselves as genuine ones, so that they could push it through the computer. So this is why here's my suggestion. You can simply run a malware scan to test that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.